यताको खाना was a total surprise. धुम्बराई काठमाडौँमा रहेको होटल अकामा. यता तपाई गेस्ट भएर आउँदा you get to experience the fusion of luxury, heritage and hospitality. Local नेवारी र हिमालयन कल्चरको फ्युजन यताको इन्टिरियर डिजाइन्समा देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यो प्रिमियम 4-स्टार डिलक्स होटलको टप फ्लोरमा रहेको छ चाउ बेला. एकदमै प्रिमियम काठमाडौँ भ्यू देखिने यो रेस्टुरेन्टमा चाइनिज एन्ड इटालियन क्युजिन पाउनुहुन्छ. पर्फेक्ट स्पट फर फ्यामिली ग्यादरिङ्स, special lunch dinner, or when you are craving for Chinese food, this is the place. With indoor, outdoor and private rooms, the ambience is very classy. अब खानाहरुको कुरा गर्दा I ordered a lot of their specials. From starters like smoked ginger prawn to spicy cold chicken and the main course from double cooked roast pork, salmon Norvegas, fillet of fish, smoked duck to Cantonese special tofu, sabai khanaharu very impressive. Family crowd aunda there is options for everyone, from kids favorite pizza to noodles and good mocktail cocktails for adult. You get to enjoy their food and drinks with the Kathmandu view. Lastly, ended my lunch with their special dessert, fried ice cream.